Celebrating Infiniti's 30th anniversary in the US market, Infiniti offered some special edition vehicles in the 2020 model year. That included the Q50. This is called the Edition 30, obviously Edition 30 years of Infiniti sales in the US market. Is this a special edition Q50? They bundle in lots of popular items, making a unique option package for the Edition 30. On the inside, you have an upgraded leather interior. Normally leatherette is standard in the Q50, so it's a little bit nicer, this perforated leather interior. You also have the sport bolstered seats that you normally get like in the Sport or Red Sport model of the Q50. Also, you have a navigation package that's also included in this thing. In 2020 they upgraded the display, so it's a crisper, higher resolution display than the previous model years, which is a nice feature. We also have a 360-degree around view camera, great for low speed maneuvering. Backup collision intervention is a nice safety feature. We also have forward collision warning. We have a distance control assist, blind spot warning, lots of great safety features. Also, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are also available for the 2020 model year on the Q50. This one has heated front seats and a heated steering wheel. We have an automatic dimming mirror, universal garage door opener, and we have a moonroof. Nice leather-wrapped steering wheel as well. You notice the Q50 has a dual display system. The top screen is for the navigation and parking camera. The bottom screen is a tab-like interface for vehicle settings and apps. You can access the driver's assistance settings. So we have a forward distance control assist. We have a forward emergency braking. And then we also have a blind spot, so you can shut those systems on or off. I don't know why you'd want to shut them on or off, but you can there. Then we have a drive mode selector here. That'll make changes to steering effort, transmission shift points, throttle sensitivity, traction and stability control settings. So you can use this switch right here. You have personal, sport, standard, eco, and snow. You can also drill down a little bit deeper and personalize it here. So you can make changes to the engine and transmission. You can make changes to the steering. Active traction control brakes individual wheels to help the vehicle rotate better through the corners. You can shut the system on or off. We have a nice 7-speed automatic transmission with a manual shift mode. To access the manual shift mode, you take the shifter, you pull it back, you push it to the left, you push up to upshift, you pull back to downshift. It will give you a rev-matched downshifts for a sportier sound and feel. We have a adjustable steering wheel that tilts and telescopes. This one has 35,075 miles. Really nice, beautiful Q50 that we acquired off lease. Also, you can see here we have the Edition 30 kick plates as well, hinting at the special option package on this one. Also with the Edition 30 you have a unique wheel and tire package exclusive to this trim level. And another nice perk for the Q50 Edition 30 is you get the sport front fascia off like the Q50 Sport or Red Sport, so it has a little bit more of aggressive styling in the front, as well as you get the sport rear fascia as well. So it's kind of like the best of both worlds. If you kind of like the styling of the Red Sport and Sport, but you don't want the stiffer ride, it's a nice compromise because you still get like the nice sport seats and the sport styling, the upgraded wheels. So it's kind of almost like having a Sport Light with the Edition 30 option package. So you have tinted windows. For a power plant, we have a 300 horsepower twin turbo V6. I forgot to clean the engine, so I won't show you too much of the engine compartment. We have to send it back to detail. They forgot to clean that, but we'll get that taken care of. The Q50 is a compact sport luxury sedan. It's built on the same platform as the Nissan 370Z. They call it the Advanced Front Midship Platform. The reason why they call it the Advanced Front Midship Platform is they take the engine and they place it as far back behind the front axle as possible, so the center of gravity is towards the middle of the vehicle. That just helps give it as perfect weight distribution as possible for excellent handling and feel through the corners. So being based on a rear-wheel drive platform, that definitely adds to the sportiness of the Q50, but this has one better. It has intelligent all-wheel drive. It's an amazing all-wheel drive system with lots of racing and sports car pedigree. They've been using this all-wheel drive system a long time. It first originated in the R32 Skyline. The Tesla all-wheel drive system, which stands for Advanced Total Traction Engineering System for All-Terrain, led to many racing successes for the R32 Skyline, putting it on the map as a famous Japanese high-performance vehicle. We found this all-wheel drive system on many Nissan products in the domestic market. We've also found this all-wheel drive system on many Infiniti products in the last 20 years. We've seen it on the FX series, the G35, the QX70, the EX35, the QX50. They've used this all-wheel drive system on a lot of vehicles. I have the same all-wheel drive system on my 2013 FX37. I've driven plenty of these things in the snow. It does amazing in the snow. That's why they call it the Advanced Total Traction Engineering System for all-terrain. So it excels in wet, slippery conditions. It also excels in dry conditions. For instance, you know, hard cornering, you can get in the power a little bit earlier with this all-wheel drive system, and it'll kind of slingshot you through the corners. And it has you know, amazing hardware. It has like a yaw sensor to limit the amount of power going to the front wheels during hard cornering. Lots of sports car pedigree. Take this thing for a drive, take it through some corners and giving it some throttle, and you'll be amazed about the responsiveness and performance of this all-wheel drive system and the whole platform in general. It's an amazing vehicle, and we love it here at Infiniti of Tacoma. We always do well with Q50s. They are amazing products, and we're happy to have them. Thanks so much for taking the time today to watch this video. Hopefully see you soon, and have a wonderful day.